Guys, in this video, I'm just going to do a couple additional examples for finding volume of a cone. So for volume of a cone, remember it's area of the base times the height divided by 3. So we are going to need the area of the base shape, which in this case is a circle. So we've got pi r squared times the height and then divide by 3. So big B is pi r squared in this case. Okay, so we can figure out the radius because the diameter is 14, so the radius must be half of that, so we know the radius is 7. Now this is not the height. Remember, this is the slant height. This, going right from the middle to the peak, forming a right angle, that is the height. So I need to do some work to find the height. Because I drew this in here, I actually just created a right triangle. So I can do 7 squared plus h squared equals 25 squared. Okay, so we've got 49 plus h squared equals 625. Okay, subtract 49. So let's see, 50, 75, 5, 76. Square root. And the square root of 576, I believe, is 24. So if I do square root, yep, we get 24. Okay, so our height is 24 meters. Okay, so now I can plug everything in here. So we've got the volume equals pi times the radius squared times the height, all divided by 3. Okay, so I'm going to get 49 times 24. So I'm going to leave it like this, 1176 pi over 3, but let's see if that divides evenly by 3, which it does. So we get 392 pi, and then cubic units is always what we use for volume. So we got cubic meters. Okay, this one it's kind of hard to tell, but this is a cylinder with a cone like drilled out of it. So we are going to do volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone. Okay, so let's start with the cylinder. So the cylinder is just the area of the base times the height, which again, our base is a circle. So we've got pi r squared, my r is 6, times the height, which is 10. Okay, 36 times 10 is 360, so we've got 360 pi. This is for the volume of the cylinder. Okay, now let's do volume of the cone. So remember, volume of the cone is the same exact thing, but over 3. So we are going to do area of the base times height, which is exactly the same thing. Okay, so we've got 360 pi, but divided by 3. So 360 does divide evenly by 3, get 120. So the volume of the cone is equal to 120 pi. Okay, so we're going to do cylinder minus the cone. So volume, we'll call it just the composite, is 360 pi minus 120 pi. And we get 240 pi, and then we can tack on our units there of cubic feet. All right, so that would be this figure if I have the cylinder and I drilled out a cone. Okay, and just those 2 examples, you guys, are all we're doing in this video. Thanks for watching.